Taking inputs, the Drugs Control Administration of Telangana has now issued an urgent warning to the public regarding two cough syrup brands found to be adulterated with diethylene glycol, or the DEG, which remember is an industrial grade solvent. It's a highly toxic substance that can cause serious health risks, and a public alert notice has now been issued against two more cough syrups. They are called Relief Cough Syrup and Respi Fresh. These findings were confirmed by the Drug Testing Laboratory Government of Madhya Pradesh in Bhopal, and the public is strongly advised to immediately stop using these cough syrups and avoid purchasing them. If you have used these medicines and experience any adverse symptoms, please seek any medical help. Aneri Shah joins me with more inputs. So Aneri, should we now see this warning being issued pan-India and not just Madhya Pradesh or Telangana?
Well, definitely, it is a big statement that has come in from the drug controller of the administration of Telangana, where the Madhya Pradesh laboratory testing laboratory has given an advisory to them that these two cough syrup have to be put on stop. The usage of these two cough syrups have to be stopped immediately. And definitely, yes, not only in Telangana but all across the nation, this advisory has to be issued very soon. We might be seeing that also happening, but yes, the notice has been issued against two cough syrups, that is Relief and Respi Fresh. These two cough syrup are said to be found adulterated, and they are highly advised not to use, especially after the incident that has taken place in Madhya Pradesh, where children lost their life. And now what we see is that Telangana government, the drug controller administration of Telangana, has issued this advisory to immediately stop the usage of Relief and Respi Fresh cough syrups. These two cough syrups are said to be not safe for the children, and that is the reason why a public advisory have been issued to immediately stop the usage of these two cough syrups, as they are said to be found adulterated. And also at the same time, we have been seeing that earlier also how the drug controller had given an advisory over various cough syrups, and if there is any sort of incident that has been reported, then they should be reported to the drug controller immediately.